Welcome to the new RECON ITR version 26.0, available now for update and purchase at SUMURI.com. In this episode of our ongoing tutorial series, we're looking at Global Timeline, RECON ITR's cross-artifact chronological view inside the Triage case results screen. Starting from the RECON ITR main interface, we'll head to Load Case to open a previously run Triage case. Click Browse to point RECON ITR to your Triage case folder. Then click Load. Once the case loads, you're in the results screen. Your Triage plugins are listed in the left-hand navigation, each showing a count of available records. Any plugin with timestamp data can be sorted and examined individually. But what if you need to look at user activity across multiple artifact types at once? That's where Global Timeline comes in. When you open Global Timeline, you'll first select which plugins to include. You can choose all plugins, or use the Select Plugins drop-down to target only the artifact types relevant to your investigation. For this example, we're selecting plugins related to images, audio, and music. With your plugins selected, enter a start date and end date, then click Apply Filters. These date filters are applied across all selected artifacts before they load, pulling every matching record into a single unified timeline view. Each record in the timeline is labeled with the plugin it came from, along with the context of the timestamp. So you might see Date Added, or FS Creation Date for file artifacts like images or audio, or simply Timestamp for something like print job logs. Everything in one table, sorted chronologically, so you can see activity across applications as it actually happened. You can refine your timeline further with a keyword search. This targets both the artifact data and the plugin name, so searching for audio filters the results down to only audio-related timestamps within your selected date window. With those results filtered, clicking Bookmark All will bookmark every currently displayed record. Only the records matching all active filters. Not everything, just what's on screen. Clear the keyword filter and you can see exactly what was captured. Only the audio records have been bookmarked, ready for your report or further review. That's Global Timeline in RECON ITR version 26.0. Cross-artifact chronological analysis built directly into your Triage workflow. Follow us for more tutorials and reach out at SUMURI.com for a demo or quote.